There is something special about Lutz. I love driving through that area, and we're going to take a look at the data for the housing market in Lutz from September, and we'll see that it continues to be a popular spot. Check out the information here. So it seems like no conversation about real estate can get very far without talking about interest rates. So if you take a look at the chart, this is from the last week of September. It's a nationwide survey of what lenders are offering their mortgage products at, and we're at 6.3% at the end of September. If you look back over the past year, you'll notice that the rates have been somewhere between 6, 7. That's a joke for the teenagers out there. Nobody knows what 6, 7 means, but that's where rates have been between 6 and 7% for the year. We're 6.3, and we'll see what happens going forward. We're going to start with active, then go to pending, and then finally sold. And you'll see a little variation in the numbers here from days on market. They don't change a whole lot for Lutz, but the median list price and sold price do. So let's take it out. We've got 201 active single family homes in Lutz, 68 days on market. The median, and again, a median is the right in the middle, 50% above, 50% below that, and the median list price of $625,000. So a healthy price point, but that is reflective in both the quality of homes and uh, the size of the lots that many communities have. Just again, a desirable combination for many buyers. These are the pending homes, the ones that were under contract in the month of September. There are 56 homes. You see really short days on market, and list price significantly below the median list price of active homes. So that might be something to consider if you are uh, going on the market. Might be time to sell, but think about what buyers are responding to. If the price and the condition and the features, the amenities of the property don't match up, the buyers out there are responding by saying no, thank you, and moving on to the next home available. So consider that as you go about your day. Finally, here are the sold homes, the ones that closed in the month of September. These were most likely July, late July, August, maybe a smattering of early September contracts. And here's the data: 55 were sold. So if you take the 201 that we have on the market right now, divided by the 55, we have about 4 months of inventory for single family properties in Lutz. Short days on market, and just six of them. There's some little pockets of new construction here and there in the area with a median list price, sale price of 582,000. This is the data for September. If you're in Lutz right now and life has necessitated a move, reach out. If you're considering moving to the area and looking at Lutz as an option, reach out as well. Data doesn't mean anything by itself. When you put it into context and match it up with what your situation is, your goals, your desires, that's where the magic happens. So again, Brian Webb, Florida Executive Realty. I hope you have a great rest of your month, and I'll see you soon.